Welcome back to the channel. Thought I'd do a little update on a Ferrari 330 we've been working on for quite a while. This is not a restoration. We've done some videos on this car in the past as we have gone through this process. This car suffered a fire, and it was not of its own doing. It was in a garage fire. There were several cars destroyed and a lot of damage done to several other cars. This one came to us to repair, and the paintwork was destroyed, glass, part of the interior. There was quite a bit of damage. So we took the car, stripped it completely down, and then came back up. As far as the paint goes, we didn't do a full down to zero nut and bolt restoration. We did end up pulling the engine and transmission out of it. Not because there was any fire damage, but because the owner wanted to have us detail the engine and the engine compartment to match essentially the new exterior. It would have been the one thing that really would have stood out when you open the bonnet that didn't match the rest of the car. So we did do that. So that was all done prior to the final paint work, just to keep things orderly, or more restoration assembly like. It's 99% done. I think we have the bonnet latch to do, a couple switches in the interior and whatnot, but it's really close. And I think I think after the latch is done, we have to then final fit the grille. Again, this is not a car we restored. We didn't build the engine, we didn't build the transmission or anything like that. We did do some brake work on it and some work on the engine and trans, but we didn't build them. But nonetheless, it's been down for quite a while, and we're going to put miles on it to prove it out and make sure it's safe and not going to have any fuel leaks, oil leaks, or coolant leaks or anything like that. That it's a good driving car. These are exciting projects, and they're fun for us to bring something like this back to life again, especially being hurt or damaged the way it was. It feels pretty good to preserve this machine and get it back out on the roads for people to enjoy. So, please do like and subscribe. We do appreciate y'all, and see you on the next one.